Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Delightsome Dolls. It's been a while since I wanted my Barbie to have some big nails, but that's not possible. However, we can make fake nails. If you wanna know about this outfit, I'll link it in the description box, do check it out. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Let's get started. Firstly, let's trace around a doll nail to get an accurate idea of the nail size. It's the thickness of the paper. I made the shape of the nail. It's up to you to decide whether you want the nail to be square, oval or extremely sharp. You have to make 10 of these, that we all know. You have to cut the nails in the same way as shown here, which will make it easier to give a nicer curve to the nails. I hope you get this. Now it's time to glue these on the dolls. Apply a drop of glue like this and take this nail and paste it in place. And paste all the nails one by one. Now it's the time to grab your nail polish. Have this one, but it has a big brush, so what you have to do is use a small paintbrush to make this work a lot easier. Being really careful and patient not to paint the doll's hand. I just wanted to tell you guys that one thing that is good about these nails, as the glue hardens, these nails become little bit tight. And that was the thing I was not knowing about this earlier, but after one day I realized that. I actually think that I did a better job. If you maintain these nails well, these nails don't fall out very quickly. So that's all for today. I hope you love this. In case you want me to make a video on hot glue nails, you can comment down below. I can even try that, as that is also a very popular hack. So please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and you can even watch my previous videos as I made a lot of swing stuff there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.